Hello, my dear friends. Hope you all are doing good. I'm very much sure that all are waiting for the next short story. So, today's short story is The Breakfast Point. There is a breakfast point near our factory. We often go there for breakfast, and there is a lot of rush every day. Many times I have noticed that a person comes and takes advantage of the crowd, and after eating secretly leaves without paying. One day, while he was eating, I secretly informed the owner of the breakfast point that this brother would take advantage of the rush and leave without paying the bill. Listening to me, the owner of the breakfast point started smiling and said to let him go without saying anything to him, and that we will talk about it later. As usual, the brother, after having breakfast, looked around and taking advantage of the crowd, quietly slipped away. After he left, I now asked the owner of the breakfast point to tell me why he had let the man go. Why did he ignore this man's action? The answer given by the owner of the breakfast point lit up all my 14 layers. He told me that you are not alone. Many brothers have noted him and have told me about him. He said that he sits in front of the shop, and when he saw that it is crowded, he would sneak in and eat. I always ignored it and never stopped him, never caught him, nor ever tried to disrespect him, because I think that the rush in my shop is due to the prayer of this brother. He would be sitting in front of my shop and praying that if there is a rush in this shop, then I could quickly go in, eat and leave. And surely enough there is always a rush when he comes in. I do not want to invite my misfortune by cutting my own leg in the matter of this prayer and the acceptance of his prayer between him and the Almighty. This will always be ignored by me, and I will always let him eat such food and will never disrespect him by catching him. The moral of the story is, think positive in every situation. That's all for today's story. I hope everybody would love the story and start thinking positive in every situation. Thank you.